Hello again, here we are with a new toy. So what is this about? A LED lamp for the computer screen. Well, pretty fancy. What we got here? We have a USB charging cable. What kind of USB we got here? USB-C, beautiful. Okay, it's kind of, how it's called, Baseus. We have a kind of instructions pamphlet, how to use it, how to fix it, and we have a dimmer knob, and that helps too. All I can say that it's pretty heavy. I think it's more than 1 kilo. Let's see, do we got any technical here? Do we have any? I think it's in Chinese. Oh, that's the warranty card. 5 watts with 5 volts. Okay, 500 grams, but I think it's more than 500 grams. Maybe. Nice pack. Ba-bam. Okay, so we should have this guy like that. All right, and this one goes here. But before anything else, let's test it for functionality and, of course, currents. There we have the USB-C here, yeah, and plug in, power on. Wow, it's pretty powerful. Okay, and we have a dimmer. Nice. And we have a hot, cold, and both. Okay, let's check for currents. And I have this meter here doing all this magic. Okay, let's call it the cold color temperature. Now it's taking 0.89 amps. That means 5.57 watts. Okay, let's go to warm. 4.45 watts on warm, and both of them 4.31. Okay, so it's not passing 5 watts like in the pamphlet. Okay, now let's do another test. You see, I have my light meter here. So of course this is for photo, but at least we can do something like this. So I'm pointing this down here on this let's call it working. I got like number 3. Okay, but let's count this guy up here. So this one have like number 7 in proximity, and this is a 10 watts lamp. Okay, once again, my working surface, call it, and it's going to number 2.5. All right. Okay, this is a very cloudy day. It's dark outside, I may say, so it's almost no kind of light here. Okay, let's put this on. I'm not sure how this will stay, but it's something like that. It's pretty elegant. Oh yes, I love it. I think this is the position for, you see that? No, it's looking good. And now let's see. Power on. Well, it's not bad at all. But let me check my working bench here. Let me see if I can have any kind of details. Well, that's not exactly for the working bench. Cold, warm, and both. Well, not bad. Not bad. It's very, how can I say, if we take it the other way, it's a very cozy kind of light. You got that? It's pretty okay. But of course, it's not going higher than 1. And if I'm going here with my meter, it's not passing number 6. But what can I say? This guy is 10 watts. Not bad. Not at all. Yeah. Oh yes. So it can be switched to any angle. Oh, this is a really nice and beautiful light for working, you know, editing videos in the evening. Look there. No? Okay, so the setup, it's done. We are using directive. Beautiful. You know, I was looking for more of this, but as long as I have the support here, then I can attach some extra somewhere, you know, maybe one of these strong one for, you know, for lighting the desktop in, just in case when I need to shoot something, you know, when I need a really video. So far so good. That was all about Baseus or Baseus I-Wok series USB stepless dimming screening hanging light. Okay, very fancy name. Any more instructional? No, that's a very simple way to put it. Yeah, that's the way it is. We have this weight behind which keeps everything in place, and it's looking good. Yes, I hope it's useful. Thank you so much for today. See you soon with some other projects. Please like, please subscribe. Need you guys. Don't forget to write, and of course, have fun. Bye bye.